Hey guys, back up with you for another video. This one's going to be a little winter update on the S10. So here's what we got going on. We pretty much winterized the whole engine, so all the valve trains backed off. We removed the carburetor, protected it with WD-40. We've capped off the fuel lines, filled the fuel cell right up to the very top. Pretty much we're running this VP Racing C12. We just bought a barrel this year, so there's the C12 that we run. It's pretty corrosive, so it's good to actually, you gotta really protect your components that it runs through, right? I don't know what else I can tell you guys. Pretty much upgrades to the truck. I can show you inside. So excuse the mess too. I mean, it's tough with winter. We haven't really been working on the S10, but I want to get going again. So here's the interior of it. It's got an all aluminum dash from S&W Race Cars. Great company. If you guys are running S10s, you should check them out. Or any drag vehicle. This cage is from S&W, the whole full roll cage. This is an extended cab truck, which is a little bit rare, but you don't see too many drag racing. But you know what? I like it. It's cool. It gives me I'm tall, so it gives me a lot more leg room inside the truck and whatnot. So it's got an aluminum steering column from S&W, Grant steering wheel. It's got a 700 R4 transmission with a trans brake from TTI in it. It's got we made that little switch panel. There's our ignition panel now. Actually, during one race my coil went. I was running a blaster 2 coil which failed on me, so during a race, which really sucked, but whatever, you win some, lose some. Truck's running like 10, we're dialed into 1064, but on a good weekend it'll run in the 10.5s, which is good. We got, I can probably show you guys underneath here. It's all our racing stuff in the back. That's one nice thing about the S10, right, is that you can, when you put stuff in the trailer, when you load up all your race gear, you can actually just throw a lot of it in the box, which is nice over having a car. Here's the diff. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it is an 8.8. It's been shortened. It's got strange axles and a full spool in it. It's got Calvert, I think they're 9-way adjustable shocks, really nice shocks. And then it's got the Calvert split mono Lisa as well. So yeah, it's a pretty stout setup for being, just not, I wouldn't say a budget build. I spent a lot of money, where it counts. But as far as race cars go, I would say this would be a cheaper build for sure. Like, it's got the 3D3 stroker. You could check that out in other videos. Just maybe I'll link that for you guys right now. And yeah, so I don't know. Going forward here, I don't know what you guys want to see. Leave some comments. I like feedback. Telling me what you want to see, and any questions about the build, I'll gladly answer for you guys.